Hello YouTube, welcome back to Couch Potato 88. Yes, I'm still wearing the same shirt. Yes, it's the same day. Yes, this is the third recording. I'm watching Eddie Hall's The Beast, the strongest man in the world, better than Thor Bjornsson. I hit my training partner too hard, coughed up blood. I have been watching this on my own time. I just want to make one video while I'm watching the world's strongest man. And I'm like, shit, why the fuck not? This is only 12 minutes. Usually he makes like a half an hour video. I'm in this shit. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to be mostly quiet and just reacting because you're here to watch the video. You're not here to watch me.
On the top of the mountain, yeah, we've heard our way to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain.
What's yours?
I'm going to come through that screen, grip you around the neck, and tell you to hit that subscribe button. Hey guys, hope you're well. I'm here at the boxing gym. We've done a training session this morning. I did a little bit of chesticles, as you can see. And, that is what I know, that's why it felt so good. I'm here tonight, Lyndon's there. He's a bit broken at the minute, Lyndon is.
As you say, a bit broken. I did 6 rounds of body bag with Ed one day last week because Paddy was also broken and Ed managed to break me ribs through the body bag. So thank you very much. So I've been struggling all week. I know I'll be struggling for a few weeks, but I had the body bag on, which you're not even supposed to get hurt. He managed to break me ribs, which you would expect. So all good.
Oh my God.
It's quite a proud moment. When your coach sends you a message saying you broke ribs, so it was good. So we're sort of moving on from a few moves that Lyndon's been giving us. Me and Paddy have been working hard in the gym back at home, doing all the 1-2s and the slipping and diving and everything. So and again, every time we come back, Lyndon just gives us a little bit more to work on. And I think today we're doing a bit of defending parries and defending moving, and
also mixed in with that we're going to do defend and parry drills but reaction pads.
okay.
So we're working on reactions, we're working on what we do after we've thrown the shot.
Yeah.
So yeah, using your feet to get you in and out of range for another shot. So yeah, as you say, moving on from what you've been doing, you've nailed it. So we'll move on.
Nailed it. That's what I like to hear. So we're at the secret location that nobody knows, which everybody knows. But yeah, I'm boxing 4 times a week at the minute. Most of it's at home, but the strength conditioning is just as important. So again, a big chest session this morning. So I'm not going to be 100%, but that's the way I like it. I like it tough. So let's stuck it.
Jesus, look at him. God damn. All I want is boxing more, so at least told him to see how he can improve more. Jesus. He had to run away.
So you're in control, Pat. Let's 3 jab.
Yep.
Ed, you're going to slip it, going to count it. A little slight movement on your feet, see where else he's on. Okay. You put shots up as you wish. Beautiful. Yeah, that's it.
Damn. Poor Pat. Oh shit, come on. You're not supposed to kill your partner, dude. But it's good, don't hold back.
so exploitative.
half of the problem as we're doing this technique stuff is the punch is there, but I just have to flick it, not land it. So we're not at that advanced yet. There's no point me smacking him in the face again until I've learned how to box. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm learning and lining up those shots ready for when we get closer to the fight. Put the headgear on, the mouth guard in, and then I'll start smarking him out. I weighed my gloves last week because they were absolutely drenched, and I sent Lyndon the video. So my gloves, when they're drenched, weigh 31 ounces. Plus I've got the undergloves on, plus the wrist wraps. So I'd say I've got a good, when they're wet, I'd say I've got a good 45 ounces in my hands. It's literally like I'm throwing bricks constantly. Well, this is what I need. I'm building speed up with heavy hands, and then when we get closer to the fight, switch out to the 10 ounces. Bruce Lee.
Damn. Oh shit.
Really good.
A bit more gentle.
You were choking.
Back in throat. So this is a super important part of my arsenal, is wearing a heart rate monitor. So we're 30 seconds left after 3 minutes. Look at what my pulse is.
Time.
Straight in the forearm.
Rotation on those shots is great.
Man, you're trading up pieces. Now he's taking full-fledged body shots. Oh god. Oh. Damn. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You okay? You alright?
Oh shit.
You okay?
You're right, buddy. Are you coughing up blood?
Oh shit.
Lyndon, take your gloves off, mate. Come on.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Paddy, okay, take a breath, mate. Breathe, 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 breathe.
Yep.
Come on. Andy, don't film this.
Oh shit.
Hey guys, right, we're about a week on now from what happened with Paddy. Back in boxing, Paddy. Are you feeling okay, buddy?
Shit.
I'm suffering still, but I'm getting better slowly. It's been a nice week of recovery.
Good.
So
How's the guts feeling?
Still tender, still waking up in the night sort of thing, but it's not too bad now. Recovered quite quick from it, luckily, but
Yeah,
it's still
so we took you to a Dr. Paolo's. And you said you tasted blood after like the first round, and then...
So first round, you got me with a nice right straight in the solar plex, and it started feeling really tight in my chest. Carried on obviously through it because I can't have a break with them anyway. 2 or 3 rounds later, started getting worse and worse, started tasting blood in the back of my neck.
Was it like the 5th round?
Yeah.
About 5th.
5th round then, landed a few combos and basically took me to the deck. The actual first thing was I thought I was being sick because I just couldn't breathe. Got down on the floor obviously and then started puking up a bit of blood. Chest was still tight, all that. But yeah,
It looked a lot worse than it was.
yeah, it was.
I think.
I've had it before where I've had like bad injuries where you've probably pissed a bit of blood and stuff like that. But
Yeah.
when it's coming up from your mouth, it's a bit different.
Yeah, I myself, I'll be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But glad you're
Ed was
okay.
very sincere, despite the picture where he's clearly trying to laugh. He was very sincere.
Jesus.
After about 3 or 4 minutes, I was back to normal sort of thing. It just the pain of the stomach was not really good.
Just thought I'd let everyone know he's okay. And
Not that anyone cares.
he's been told 21 days and then he can get back in the ring with me, so let his guts heal up.
Jesus.
Right, so prep's going really well. Fitness, I would say, is probably my #1 tool right now. I'm able to go so hard for so long. 8 3-minute rounds is absolutely a cinch at the minute. So it's going to keep working on the fitness, keep working on the techniques, working on the speed, the endurance. Everything's coming together. You know, I'm feeling very, very positive. And Thor, hope you're watching, boy, because that's going to be you in the ring, coughing up your soul. Big love the beast. See you later.